Logical thinking is definitely a huge facet to it. Somebody who's more prone to that will be better at the job. Somebody who is having trouble with problem solving, it would not be good as a mechanic.
Trying to figure out what's wrong with it, why is it not working, what needs fixed, what doesn't need to be fixed. It's a lot of problem solving.
If you don't work well in teams, this career field can definitely be a bad fit for you. It's very team-oriented. Not one person can solve every problem on an aircraft.
Sometimes when the jets break, it's high stress. We're trying to get them fixed very quickly.
If you're dealing with a lot of mental strain, the best way to deal with it is to rely on your teammates, rely on your fellow wingmen. There's more than enough people out there that'll help you get through.
To succeed as a maintainer, you do have to be detail-oriented. That could be anything from keeping track of all of our tools, making sure nothing gets left behind the cockpit, and making sure components get put together right, installed in the jet properly, because really the pilot's lives depend on us.
If you're a perfectionist and you like working with your hands and you're willing to put in the effort to make something look beautiful, then yeah, this is going to be fantastic for you.
To be a maintainer, you definitely have to be comfortable with working outdoors and physical demands.
It's very important that you learn how to just kind of deal with the weather and how it is.
For me, that's one of the best parts about the job is the rawness of it. You're getting dirty, you're in the sun or in the snow, and you are directly involved with making sure that aircraft is ready to run no matter what weather condition you're going to face.
You do not have to be mechanically inclined to do my job. That's definitely something the Air Force trains all airmen well on, no matter if they have experience in it or not.
I didn't know anything about mechanics. I didn't know from a wrench to a socket to a pry bar. Everything was a hammer to me, and if duct tape and a hammer couldn't fix it, then I was beat.
You're not really going to know much going into it, whether you've twisted a wrench before or not. So I don't think you should be nervous if you haven't really worked with tools before, because your training will provide everything you need.